About this item, USB-C to VGA adapter allows you to mirror/extend video/image from your new laptops with USB-C port to your TV/monitor/projector with old VGA port. Provide you full high-definition video/crystal image. Specially used for make a presentation or an external monitor in school/office/home. Please note, your USB-C devices need support DisplayPort alternate mode, video output, or Thunderbolt 3 broad compatibility compatible with 2015/2016/2017 MacBook, 2016/2017/2018/2019/2020/2021 MacBook Pro, 2017 to 2021 iMac/iMac Pro, MacBook Air with USB-C, iPad Pro 2018/2020/2021, Mac Mini 2018/2020, Dell XPS 12 9250, HP EliteBook Folio G1, Yoga 920, Samsung Chromebook Plus, Samsung Galaxy S8/S8 Plus/S9/S9 Plus/Note 8/Note 9/S10/S20, and more. 1080p at 60Hz supports resolutions up to 1080p at 60Hz 1920*1200 at 60Hz, HD, 800x600, 1024x768, 1280x768, 1280x800, 1280x960, 1280x1024, 1440x900, 1600x1200, 1680x1050, 1920x1080. Laptop resolutions up to 1920x1200 are easily achieved. Note, VGA does not transmit audio, only supports video. The Apple 12 MacBook 2015 only supports